Imagine waking up tomorrow morning and the sun is rising from the wrong side of the sky. The light creeps in from the west, shadows stretch in unfamiliar directions, and something instantly feels off. Right now, Earth spins from west to east. That's why we see the sun rise in the east and set in the west every single day. It's a stable, predictable motion we rarely think about. But what if that suddenly reversed? What if Earth began spinning the opposite way? The change wouldn't feel gentle, it would be catastrophic. Earth's surface would try to reverse direction, but the atmosphere wouldn't instantly follow. At the equator, the ground moves at over 1,600 kilometers per hour due to Earth's rotation. If that motion suddenly flipped, the air would keep rushing in the original direction, creating supersonic winds tearing across the planet. Everything not anchored down would be swept away. Cities would be devastated as powerful shockwaves of wind rip through buildings, forests, and coastlines. The oceans wouldn't stay calm either. Massive walls of water would surge across continents, triggered by the sudden shift in momentum. Tsunamis would race inland, reshaping coastlines within hours. As the chaos settles, a new world begins to emerge, but it's completely different from before. The sun now rises in the west and sets in the east, reversing the entire cycle of daylight. But more importantly, global systems begin to flip. The Coriolis effect, which controls how air and water move across the planet, reverses direction. Weather patterns collapse and rebuild in unfamiliar ways. Trade winds change direction. Storm systems spin the opposite way. Entire climate zones begin to shift over time. Regions that were once dry could start receiving rainfall, while lush ecosystems may begin to dry out. Deserts might slowly transform, while rainforests struggle to survive. Ocean currents, which regulate global temperatures, also reverse. This disrupts heat distribution across the planet, triggering long-term climate instability. Over years and decades, ecosystems face intense pressure. Animals, plants, and even human systems must adapt to a world where everything, from seasons to weather patterns, has changed direction. Scientifically, this all happens because Earth's rotation drives the movement of air, water, and energy. Change the direction, and you change the behavior of the entire system. But here's the deeper insight. Something as simple as the direction Earth spins determines how winds blow, where rain falls, and how life spreads across the planet. In the end, the sun rising from the west wouldn't just be a strange sight. It would signal a complete rewrite of Earth's natural systems. Our world works the way it does because of a precise, invisible motion happening beneath our feet every second. Reverse that motion and you reshape the entire planet. Hit like and subscribe to stay updated. Check the description for more.